Hi everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another project. I'm Poor Man.
I'm Mrs. Poor Man, and today we just finished the bathroom renovation.
This video is dedicated to my friend Ralph, who complained about our videos. He said he's always watched our videos, and after all the work we've done, we've never had a beer. So this is to you. Oh. By the way, Ralph, as you know, I don't drink beer, so I have a root beer. Alright, so anyhow, let's get over to the project and show you what we did.
I began the project by removing the border wallpaper. I found many YouTubers who made various chemical cocktails to remove the wallpaper, but I used the best dissolvent in the world, H2O. I drenched the paper and the top layer peeled off. Once again, I soaked the paper, and the bottom layer of the paper peeled off like butter.
Since we were installing flooring, the toilet bowl had to be removed. This involved shutting off the water, then emptying all water from the tank and bowl.
After disconnecting a hose and removing the nuts that secure the bowl in place, I managed to carry it all away.
Mr. Poor Man then scraped off the wax ring. Ew. The last step in removing the toilet is to stuff an old rag in the drain to prevent fumes from coming back up, or it will stink. The sink was the next victim to be removed from the bathroom. This bathroom had a hand towel and a bath towel rack that had to go.
Though we can't figure out why they needed a bath towel rack in a room without a bath. We laid down a moisture barrier and cut a hole for the drain prior to installing the flooring.
Poor Man then cut the flooring and installed them.
Installing the last board.
The room was too small to film while painting.
Wow, that is a loud color.
We then installed the baseboards, patched and painted them. Next, we reinstalled the toilet. Then came the sink.
Mrs. Poor Man is acting like she installed the light. Ta-da! Great job, Mrs. Poor Man. I installed a new hand towel rack.
And a very modern toilet paper holder. And another bold color project finished.
Don't worry, we realize our house will not sell because of the colors we chose. But we did not want the typical boring colors, and if we decide to sell someday, we'll repaint it first. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you again real soon. Ta-ta for now!